Exercise number 20, second half, 700 commission book. This dictation recorded by Agshar Ali, stenographer. Ready. The people of each age think. In fact, people have really improved at all during the last 2000 years, but certainly the people of each age have the great advantage of improved material conditions for each age builds upon the work of the men who have gone before, and it employs the capital of the past to provide for present needs, full stop. And year by year this capital grows less, full stop. At present, Mother Earth is offering us the use both of her income and of her capital, full stop. We can reasonably expect that the income will continue for as long as man continues, full stop. Year by year the earth provides us with food, and if we give the land reasonable care and attention, we can expect it to continue to provide us with the food necessary for life, full stop. But wrong methods can lessen even this income, which seems to be so safe and so certain, something upon which we can all depend, full stop. When man discovered the new world, he did not think of the future, full stop. He found a land which seemed ready to provide his own family and thousands of others' families, which all the good things of the earth for all time, full stop. He used wrong methods. He overworked the land to such a degree that much of the goodness of the earth was taken from it, and it has been found necessary in some places to rest the land for some years in the attempt to bring it back to something like its old value, full stop. In general, however, we can expect that the income of the earth will continue, full stop. Indeed, it may be increased, for men are finding more and more ways of getting better returns from the land, full stop. New methods are in use in many places, which result in man receiving from the land many times the food value which was expected from it in past years, full stop.